my husband back, Josh. We are here today to do the gingerbread houses. We have two different gingerbread houses. Obviously, mine is a gingerbread, and Josh is the chocolate.
Chocolate bread.
Hershey's. It's cookie.
Gingerbread.
Chocolate cookie.
Chocolate cookie house.
Is it your first time?
Probably not. I don't remember.
Okay, I don't remember building a gingerbread house. I don't think so. Okay, we have our cafecito.
Pan con café.
We're also going to be answering some Christmas questions while we do this, so, you know, there's something we're talking about.
Look at the line, Lola. Stay on your side, right?
What are you talking about? Oh, they're the same.
They're the same!
They're the same, meaning like the house is the same. It's just different color. Oh, it's... I was gonna say.
Something racist! Oh my god!
No.
We're gonna get.
I was gonna throw
We're gonna
this
get
out.
shut
this
down.
Is for you to put the cookie house in. You build it on that.
That's cheating! I don't have that!
You do have it. You don't have it?
No!
Oh, those are
There's like hard candies. Hershey Kisses.
Hershey bars.
Some Hershey bars.
Oh,
and medical bag.
I have that one too.
I don't have any
Both have
nozzles.
that.
Oh yeah, the nozzles are right here.
Over here.
I'm gonna eat this
Over here. You can lay down over here.
Mmm.
Okay. I'm gonna follow the instructions. Come. Come be a cute little boy.
Don't worry about the cat. We're not gonna eat these. Okay.
Feels so good. Okay.
Haha, it tastes so good.
Okay, wait. I have to say what I got.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I got a roof with a chimney. These are large gumbo, mini jellies, which are these. Then we have the multi-colored beads and the Christmas lights, which you also have. And then I have this thing.
Copy that. Look at these.
I'm so nervous. What if I mess this up?
Then your life is over. That's it. Game over. Half an inch from the end and your icing is not ready for... Remove the cap!
You have two heads. So
well, they're for different designs. You just want one?
Oh, I like that one.
I don't care what you like. Well, this is my box. Okay?
We'll share.
We'll share.
It's because, look, see? This one?
Ah, chinga. Lo he sabido abrir. Ahí. Oh, mira. Nada más twistea.
Are you opening mine?
I already opened yours.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. How come the shalagadash?
Do you even know what you're doing?
No.
What are you...
We never did this before. How am I supposed to know what I'm doing?
Follow the instructions.
It's not coming out the way it's supposed to. Salite vos.
Well, I don't understand this. Name Santa's reindeer.
Skip that. Don't know anybody's name.
My house is gonna fall because of you.
You have to use a lot of mortar. No,
And
all I know is
and
bronzer,
and...
cleanser, ribbit,
Do you know Comet?
cottontail,
Comet? How many is
Rudolph.
there? What is... This needs a lot of focus. I can't answer questions at the same.
Skip the question, Lola. This question is garbaggio.
No, but you're not doing it. I want to do it.
I don't know. I'm not gonna answer because I don't know anything.
Comet,
Schlag-
Dancer, Prancer. Is Prancer even a name?
Yeah.
Rudolph,
Budolf. According to Phoebe. Dasher.
Dasher, and
Thrasher.
and
Gato jodido. Sácate de aquí, por favor.
oh my god, I ruined it!
This looks super sweet. Oh, you son of a...
It's in the North Pole. Where's the North Pole?
The North Pole's in Canada. Right next to Ottawa.
Do you have like a certain amount of time for this to dry?
The cement?
Yeah. Name 3 things people put in a Christmas tree. A garland.
Ornaments. Okay, now I'm going to start laying my roof.
This is not going good for me.
This is a bad idea. Oofala. Oofala lola.
Oh my god. I can't.
Look at this thing. It's so majestic. God. What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh. What goes in the middle? I don't know why I'm holding this so firmly. Boom.
Oh my god. You're like...
The
Okay,
best.
you have experience in construction.
Clearly, this is not the same.
Okay, my other wall.
I'm pretty much just starting to decorate now. It's telling me to put this here. It's gonna dry up so quick.
My second wall. Oh god, please stay in.
Let go of me! Where are my kisses? Should I take... You know what? I'm gonna take them out of the wrapper.
You can't!
You can't what?
You hold it. I got some on my... on the palm of my hand. Oh my god, this is like terrible housing.
Terrible housing. This is... Oh, wait a minute!
Wait.
Oh, I used all the Hershey Kisses on the roof. I was supposed to.
Does it say to hold it for a certain amount of time?
No, but I think it'll hold. No, like right!
No!
Get the stapler!
Don't worry, I'm gonna build it stronger than
Look at
ever.
this.
Oh my god! I'm back to zero!
I have to put a face on my construction guy.
At least your house didn't fall apart.
Here's your eyeball.
I have to restart. Oh.
And his mouth. He's not happy. He's not a happy guy.
Oh my god, this is...
Look
Whoop it!
at his face.
Is that the face you made?
Yeah, it's the only way I can do it. Boobies, come on. You gotta put more than that.
What are you talking about?
You gotta put more icing. That's not gonna hold.
If I don't put so much, I'm gonna finish my icing.
No, Yesmy.
What
no.
do people do under the mistletoe? Oh my god.
Sex.
But we see, why am I even asking these questions if you're not even gonna be serious about it? It's gonna be stronger than ever.
It's stronger than yesterday.
Oh my god, this is not fair. I'm making my way there slower, but I'll make it. That's the attitude, guys.
That's the Yesmy model. I get the one I want.
Chooper, can you stop eating my man? My gingerbread man. And I still have to put a freaking roof and a chimney with Santa Claus in it. You're eating your candy?
I'm tired.
Oh, I'm so scared for this part.
What? I still put it. I forgot you're still on the roof. Damn, that construction project is taking forever.
But it's gonna be a good one. Trust me. Is this the front?
It's better when you build them faster and don't care about the consequences. Ok, veremos. Vamos a agregarle aquí. Así de tal manera.
No, something is bad for me. Oh my god. One of my walls fell down! I thought I said I was coming back stronger than ever. I can't feel my feet anymore.
Then open them up.
I'm gonna be too small. Ow! See? Oh my god.
Good. Everybody's like, wow, he's tiny too. But I'm not.
Do you want to answer some other questions then? Or you don't care? Oh my god, I hate you.
You guys ready to see the front of my house?
One.
Boom!
I can't do this.
Looks majestic.
I'm giving up on mine. Alright. Hopefully, please don't fall down anymore. Look at that.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to do the piping thing. I want that, but I can't.
No, don't be sad.
Because it's not coming out. You're bad. Huh? The bath with the Hershey Kisses. Hi, dog. There's no way, Poopies. Poopies, you're ruining it.
What are you talking about? Look at that.
No, they're supposed to be like that. Look at that. That's just like whatever.
Why are you using the scissors for?
Because it sticks to my finger.
Oh, that's how I'm putting my finger.
No, stop. You make it worse. Stop it. You came,
look at mine.
You came in.
This is not the way I wanted it to look.
Yeah, okay.
But look how it looks on the box. Look how it looks on the box.
Yeah.
And look what I made. Look at it.
Yeah.
It's not about being perfect.
It's not about being perfect either,
fun.
but you came and ruined mine. I never went to yours. I didn't touch yours. You
then
shouldn't
come to mine. I'm inviting you over and you don't want to come.
No. You try to make like flowers with it. This thing sticks. Like, it's the worst icing ever.
It's like dry and wet at the same time.
No. This icing doesn't let you do shit.
This is false advertisement. Look at what I made.
There's a bead out there.
Look at it. And look at the box. Look at the box. Look how perfect that is. Look at it! I'll give an extra light now.
What happened to your light? It fell? Or is that the light that came?
Into my mouth. Ah!
You have to hold your house properly. Look how many times I had to put my... Focus, now you're helping me. I was supposed to do it.
My job is to help you.
I want to decorate it. Oh, I see.
No! Look at the box!
Pass me a gummy. Open the gummies. Oh my god, there's not enough green gummies. Fuck it. How did they want me to do a wreath?
They only gave her 2 green gummies.
They give me...
And the box has like 17 green gummies.
I need Twizzlers. I can't
Twizzlers!
Tweezers. I can't reach
I don't have any
there.
Twizzlers.
Ah! I can't. Oh no! Oh! I need that red one.
This is a disaster. They're all rolling away.
I lost the red one. Oh, okay, there's more red, but I need that red. I have to find that red bead.
I'm trying to save as many as I can.
This is like the hardest thing to do. I have so many beads. Did you put all your beads?
No, I ate them.
Are you serious?
I ate most of them.
Why?
Look how many red ones I have. Like a bajillion red ones.
Okay. I need a red for my doorknob. Hey, Jabber. Oh, you decorated the bag? This? Want some icing?
No.
Jabber.
No.
Oh my god! This is so hard. How did you do yours so fast?
It's simple maths, really.
Am I gonna put beads there? I don't know. Trooper, you left me with Trooper! He's a monster in my village.
How early do you think you should be allowed to open Christmas presents?
So when I was...
Oh, we always open them at night.
We open them after midnight.
After midnight, so it's technically it's Christmas Day.
Come back, yeah.
So we're right on schedule.
But when I was younger, we used to open them. We used to ask my mom and dad if we could open at least one at 11 or 10. 11 or 10. Because we couldn't wait. And then they would allow us to open like one. And then the rest we had to wait till midnight. I think Spanish people always open their gifts at 12. Oh my god!
Well, there's progress.
Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen the front. There you go. There's the front. I'm not done though. Where's my tree? Where am I supposed to put this tree? Oh, this is the... Oh no!
You decorated the back door. Just pick it up and twist it. What holiday chore do you like the least?
Putting everything back. There's my Christmas tree.
Oh, wow.
I don't know where I'm going to put this. Alright. Done.
Alright, so we're done. You guys already saw mine, so here's the front. Look at that. Here's the side.
That was a noise from my throat.
I heard it. Here's the back door. Look at that.
It's cute.
My little garden.
Look at your little bushes. I know. Your little garden. I like yours.
My little dude.
It's a Santa.
It's a Santa.
It's cute.
It's so effing clever, yeah. Turn yours around.
So this is the. I thought this was my front, and I ended up doing it my front. It was actually good because then I have this side to put my Christmas tree and my little girl there.
Oh, they're neighbors.
They're neighbors. Oh, they're so cute. I like them. So it has Hershey's here, and I have bubble gums at the top. I only put lights in the front because this is
So that's the front.
too much. Yeah, this is the front.
Okay.
I'm in the backyard.
She's in the backyard. She has a backyard. I don't have a backyard.
In the backyard, my Christmas tree.
Mine's a bungalow. Hers is a 2-story.
Is it? Yours is a 2.
Oh my god. I don't know.
So I put these little guys, like these bells all around the windows, except the ones at the back.
That's not so bad.
That's not so bad, right? I really love the icicles, the way they turned out on the side of the house.
Maybe we should destroy them.
No.
Like.
Oh my god, you actually touched mine!
Did I?
Yes! Right, I'm not gonna destroy it. It took me a while.
I'm gonna throw it against the wall.
No.
Oh. Next video coming up. Which one do we throw against the wall?
Jupiter! Jupiter wishes you a Merry Christmas. So, this completes our video for our first time doing our gingerbread houses. And I hope you guys liked it. We wish you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Alright guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys till my next video. Bye!
Bye.